Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show jobs with salaries and indeed literally like these ones right here. So this is what you do guys. First come to your home, okay? This is the home page you'll be in and you just want to put in a job title, a keyword. For example, let's do jobs in accounting. Okay, I'm going to leave this empty. I want jobs from all across the world. Then what you're going to do is come here under pay and you want to choose a pay scale. And if you want a certain amount of pay range, maybe $70,000 plus, can do that. And what you want to do, the most important thing, you only want to show jobs with pay information. Toggle this one on, okay? So once you toggle this one on, every job listing you will see are only jobs that have actually shown the salary. Look at this, $55,000 to $59,000 a year. This is $75,000 to $85,000 a year. This matches the pay range I was looking for. And if you do match these skills, you can go ahead and add these to your profile as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys.